Right, we're looking at multiplying and dividing fractions in this particular video, and actually multiplying and dividing fractions is arguably a bit easier than adding and subtracting them. The only thing you've got to really remember initially is, and actually you probably do with adding and subtracting fractions, is that you turn mixed numbers into improper fractions. So I'm going to have to do this in the first one. I don't want 2 1/7. I'm going to call that 15 over 7. Right, 2 times 7 add 1. And I'm going to times that by 2/5. Now, all you literally have to do is multiply the top and multiply the bottom. Right, now that will simplify to 6/7. But I could have done that, and I'll do it in a different colour actually, I'll do it in orange. I could have done that like this, so everyone happy that I've got this. Now what I could have done is say, well hang on, I know that 5 and 15 are in the same times table, so they're both in the 5s, that's 1 5 makes that, and would you believe it, oops sorry, I haven't done it in the right colour. Alright, would you believe it, I've got a nice easy sum here of 3 times 2 equals 6, and 7 times 1 is 7. Either way is absolutely fine. It's really not a problem with this one because it's fairly obvious what you're going to simplify with, what times table 30 and 35 are in. But if it's not quite so obvious, the second method's actually quite nice. Anyway, let's have a look at the second one. We've got a division this time. Again, we're going to turn it into improper fractions. So we've got 3 times 4, 12, so that's 15 over 4, divided by 1 times that is 15 over 8. Now, with division, okay, you don't just divide, right? That's the common mistake that we get. We flip the right hand one upside down. Now, there are reasons for this. I could go into it. I just want this to be a short video. So, ultimately, it boils down to dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by a half, or dividing by 3 is the same as multiplying by a third. It's the same principle. So what I'm going to get here is 8 over 15. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to get 120 over 60, if I just do that, which is 2. All right, and there's my equals. But I could yet again have done this, so let's have a look at 15 over 4 times 8 over 15. All right, and then I need to get back to green. Where are we? Now, 15 and 15 are quite clearly in the same times table, and so are 8 and 4. And now I have a very simple sum of 1 times 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1, and we get 2. So there you go. That ultimately, multiplying and dividing fractions is pretty easy. You can make it even easier by simplifying before you actually do the final thing. So there you go.